Welcome to our channel. If you're planning a trip to Thailand or just dreaming of exploring this beautiful country, you're in for a treat. From bustling cities to serene beaches, Thailand is full of incredible destinations that will leave you mesmerized. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the 15 best places you absolutely must visit in Thailand. And if you're looking for activities or trips inside Thailand, be sure to check the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel guides and tips. 1. Bangkok. Let's start with the vibrant capital, Bangkok. Known for its bustling street life, ornate shrines, and vibrant markets, Bangkok is a city that never sleeps. Visit the Grand Palace, home to the revered Emerald Buddha, or take a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River to see the city's iconic temples like Wat Aru and Wat Pho. Bangkok is also a shopping paradise, from the luxury malls of Siam Paragon to the chaotic charm of Chattahoochee Market. Don't forget to explore the nightlife on Khao San Road and indulge in some delicious street food, like Pad Thai and mango sticky rice. 2. Chiang Mai. Nestled in the mountains of northern Thailand, Chiang Mai is known for its serene temples, traditional markets, and lush natural surroundings. The city's most famous temple, Wat Phra That Doi Sethep, offers stunning views of the city and the surrounding countryside. Chiang Mai is also a hub for cultural activities, from traditional Thai cooking classes to elephant sanctuaries where you can learn about and interact with these majestic creatures. The old city is surrounded by ancient walls and moats, with bustling night markets offering a taste of local culture. 3. Phuket. Phuket, Thailand's largest island, is a tropical paradise known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and luxury resorts. Whether you're lounging on the white sands of Patong Beach, exploring the island's lush interior, or taking a boat trip to the nearby Phi Phi Islands, Phuket has something for everyone. The island also offers a range of water sports, from snorkeling and scuba diving to jet skiing and parasailing. For a cultural experience, visit the Big Buddha or the Old Town, with its colorful Sino-Portuguese architecture. 4. Ayutthaya. Step back in time in Ayutthaya, the ancient capital of Thailand. Located just an hour's drive from Bangkok, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to stunning temple ruins and ancient monuments. Explore the crumbling temples of Wat Maethit, where the iconic Buddha head entwined in tree roots can be found, or visit Wat Phra Si Samphat, the largest and most impressive temple in the city. Ayutthaya's historical park offers a fascinating glimpse into Thailand's rich history and is a must-visit for history enthusiasts. 5. Krabi. Krabi is a province on Thailand's Andaman coast, known for its dramatic limestone cliffs, clear blue waters, and pristine beaches. Railay Beach, accessible only by boat, is one of the most beautiful and secluded beaches in Thailand, surrounded by towering cliffs and lush jungle. Krabi is also a gateway to the Phi Phi Islands, famous for their stunning scenery and vibrant marine life. Whether you're rock climbing, kayaking, or simply relaxing on the beach, Krabi is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. 6. Pattaya. Located just a short drive from Bangkok, Pattaya is known for its lively beach scene and vibrant nightlife. The city's beaches offer a range of water sports, from jet skiing to windsurfing, while the nearby islands of Koh Lanta and Koh Sak offer more secluded spots for sunbathing and snorkeling. Pattaya is also home to several cultural attractions, such as the Sanctuary of Truth, an intricately carved wooden temple, and Nong Nuch Tropical Garden, one of the most beautiful botanical gardens in Southeast Asia. 7. Chiang Rai. Chiang Rai, located in northern Thailand, is known for its stunning temples and rich cultural heritage. The White Temple, or Wat Rongkhen, is one of the most unique and beautiful temples in Thailand, with its all-white exterior adorned with intricate carvings. The Blue Temple, or Wat Rong Soi Ten, is another must-visit, with its vibrant blue walls and golden details. Chiang Rai is also a gateway to the Golden Triangle, where the borders of Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar meet. 8. Koh Samui. Koh Samui is one of Thailand's most popular islands, known for its palm-fringed beaches, luxury resorts, and vibrant nightlife. Chiang Beach is the island's most popular beach, with its white sands and clear waters perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Koh Samui is also home to several cultural attractions, such as the Big Buddha, a 12-meter tall statue located on a small island just off the coast. For a more peaceful experience, visit the island's many temples, or take a hike to one of the island's waterfalls. 9. Phi Phi is a small town located in the mountains of northern Thailand, known for its laid-back atmosphere, stunning scenery, and vibrant art scene. The town is surrounded by beautiful waterfalls, hot springs, and rolling hills, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Visit the Pai Canyon for breathtaking views, or take a dip into the Pai Hot Springs. The town itself is filled with cozy cafes, art galleries, and handicraft shops, offering a taste of the local culture. 10. Koh Phi Phi. The Phi Phi Islands are some of the most beautiful islands in Thailand, known for their stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. The islands are a popular destination for snorkeling and diving, with vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. Maya Bay, made famous by the movie The Beach, is a must-visit, with its stunning cliffs and turquoise waters. Whether you're exploring the islands by boat or simply relaxing on the beach, Koh Phi Phi is a tropical paradise. 11. Sukhothai. Sukhothai, the first capital of Thailand, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning temple ruins and ancient monuments. The Sukhothai Historical Park is home to the remains of over 20 temples, including Wat Mahathat, the largest and most important temple in the city. The park offers a fascinating glimpse into Thailand's rich history and is a must-visit for history enthusiasts. The town of Sukhothai itself is a peaceful retreat, with its quiet streets and traditional wooden houses. 12. Koh Lanta. Koh Lanta is a group of islands located in the Andaman Sea, known for their stunning beaches, clear blue waters, and laid-back atmosphere. The main island, Koh Lanta Yoi, is home to several beautiful beaches, such as Long Beach and Klong Nin Beach, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Koh Lanta is also a popular destination for snorkeling and diving, with vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. The island is a paradise for nature lovers, with its lush jungles, mangroves, and limestone cliffs. 13. Ayutthaya Hin. Ayutthaya Hin is a beach resort town located on the Gulf of Thailand, known for its long sandy beaches, luxury resorts, and golf courses. The town was once a quiet fishing village, but has since become a popular holiday destination for both locals and tourists. Ayutthaya Hin is home to several cultural attractions, such as the Ayutthaya Hin Railway Station, one of the oldest in Thailand, and the Cicada Market, a popular night market offering local handicrafts and street food. 14. Koh Tao. Koh Tao, or Turtle Island, is a small island located in the Gulf of Thailand, known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. The island is a popular destination for snorkeling and diving, with vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. Serene Beach is the island's most popular beach, with its white sands and clear waters perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Koh Tao is also home to several cultural attractions, such as the Big Buddha, a 12-meter tall statue located on a small island just off the coast. 15. Kanchanaburi. Kanchanaburi is a town located in western Thailand, known for its rich history and stunning natural scenery. The town is home to several important historical sites, such as the bridge on the River Kwai, which was built by prisoners of war during World War II, and the Death Railway, which runs through the town. Kanchanaburi is also a gateway to the Erawan National Park, known for its stunning waterfalls, lush jungles, and diverse wildlife. The town is a peaceful retreat, with its quiet streets and traditional wooden houses. Thailand is a country full of diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Whether you're drawn to the bustling city life, the tranquil beaches, or ancient ruins, there's something here for everyone. We hope this guide to the 15 best places to visit in Thailand has inspired your next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which destination you're most excited to visit.